Hi, I'm Benjamin Baruto. I'm a marketing director of T3L Group, which owns the brand Sterifold. And today I want to tell you about a great product, which is the Sterifold-stainless steel desk unit. There are actually three reasons why I think it's a great product. The first one, as you might see, is that it's made completely of stainless steel. The stainless steel is a great feature because it allows you to use it in all environments, including very moist and very wet environments such as kitchens, restaurants, but also in offices where there is a high level of moisture. The stainless steel will make sure that nothing happens to the product. It will not rust, it will stay as clean and nice as it is. The good thing about it is that all the parts of the desk system are made of stainless steel. Not only the back part, but also the side stops, which allow the pocket to stay nicely open. And on top of that, the pivots are also made of stainless steel, which is great because then none of the parts could risk to rust or modify the way they look with time. So that was the first reason. It's made completely of stainless steel. The second reason, which is a Sterifold unique type of technology, is that the pockets are made of antibacterial, antimicrobial material. We have put special components in this plastic, which is silver ions, that allow this plastic to actually destroy all the microbes, all the bacteria that are put with your hand on the pocket. Meaning that every time I touch the pocket, I will put some bacteria on it and it will be destroyed within 2 hours. So if somebody else touches the pocket, he will not be infected with the bacteria I have put on the pocket. So that's a great feature, and that's also made only from Sterifold. The third feature is a very typical feature from Sterifold system, is that I have every single needed information right at my fingertips. So thanks to this system, I can see every needed information and I can access it without looking through binders, drawers and so on. So it saves a lot of time on a daily basis to have every useful information. In that case is information about Japan. You can put also price reference lists, you can put catalog extracts, you can put a lot of information that are useful on a daily basis. So this helps to save a lot of time, and I have everything I need together with my computer. I can make some phone calls, I can help customers. I have this product since many years on my desk and I think it's great. So this is also a reason why the Sterifold system has been so successful during the years. Since actually over 70 years, and it's still very useful on a daily basis. So again, the three reasons why this product is great. First reason is made of stainless steel completely. The second reason is that the pockets are antibacterial, destroys bacteria. And the third reason is that it's very ergonomic, it saves time, and it gives all information right at your fingertips. Thank you.